If you move into an existing house or build a new one like we did, very often not everything will be perfect, right? Not even in a brand new house. It might not fit your needs, and in our case, this is a project that there's nothing wrong with it, right? The builder didn't do anything wrong. It has a nice little shower head, but we prefer, especially on this bedroom, which is for Grandpa DIY, we prefer a handheld system and something that's a little lower than that is. He has a hard time reaching out for it, right? So what we're going to do today, we're going to show you how to remove that and replace it with a more customized, more appropriate for you. Like, for example, if you have dogs or cats and you want to wash them, this is very hard to do it with this, right? You need
Yes.
a handheld system. So today we're going to replace this. We're going to keep this because it's in great shape. There's no reason to get rid
It's
of it.
brand new.
Yeah, it's brand new. But we're going to replace it with something that looks similar but give us the functionality we want. So stick around. This is going to be a very good episode and you are my favorite viewer. We don't exactly have the perfect tools, but we are making it happen, right? And that's all there is to it. See, it holds a little water.
I'm just glad I wasn't more forward.
So now I'm going to bring the next one. You're dialing in, not dialing, screwing in the new device. Ours is a little more complex than a normal one would be.
And I do want to call out that when you line up the threads, as with any other item that you're threading, you want to make sure that it's really easy to go. If it's not very easy to start threading and lining up, then you're not lined with the threads and you do not want to proceed.
Correct. And because these have gaskets, we're going to not use initially a Teflon type, and if it doesn't leak, that will be fine. And if it leaks, we'll change that. And we're testing it for leaks, and it looks really good actually. I'm going to grab the hand tool. And now the simple shower has been transformed into a shower that has a rain head and a handheld. And it has a switch that's hard to show you unless one of us gets very wet. But you can turn both on, one on, or the other one, right? I don't know.
So for this particular one, it's on this side over here. This top notion keeps both heads on. There's a middle notion that will only do this top rain head, and then final position that will just do the handheld. Because the builder has installed this plumbing fixture a little higher, this is maybe a little higher than existing homes, but I happen to like it being that high because I think that's what the rain head is supposed to be, is over your head, right?
Right.
Or if you're a tall person.
Yeah, if you're a tall person, that's helpful as well.
But if you can see, if you go over towards where the spout comes out of the wall, that's pretty high to reach up to grab a handheld if you're a shorter person. Obviously, it would work great if you're tall.
Yeah.
So this is a great option because it drops the handheld down to within reach for most people.
Yeah, for sure. So much easier to locate.
All right, excellent. So with about 10 minutes worth of work and very basic tools, you can transform your shower experience from a basic head to a multi-function head with massage and rainfall and also a handheld. You can do this.